So, after covering Newton's second law of motion, we are doing Newton's third law of motion today. So, let us start. See, according to Newton's third law of motion, whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first object. In simple words, what we can say is that every action has an opposite reaction. So, in every action, there is an opposite reaction. For example, let us take this balloon. The air inside it, when it rushes outwards in downward direction, the balloon goes upwards. This is a very common example that you have seen in your daily life also. So, one is action and other is reaction. So, in this case, the action is the air rushing downwards and the reaction would be balloon going upward. So, this is Newton's third law, that both the forces, that is action also and reaction also, are always equal, but they are always in opposite direction. This is one more example of Newton's third law, that is recoiling of gun. Whenever a bullet is fired from a gun, it always recoils back. So the action is the bullet coming out of the gun, and the reaction is the recoiling of gun, that is in backward direction. So in this case, action and reaction are equal, but in opposite direction. Let us see this example. This is the propulsion of rocket. So where is reaction and where is action? This you have to tell me and give me answers on my personal number. This question is for you all.